Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to earn a consistent income online or just a little extra income? In this video, I want to show you a beginner-friendly way to make $100 to $300 per day online, absolutely no experience required. This proven strategy is very easy to follow, and it can be done from the comfort of your own home. No matter if you're a stay-at-home parent, student, or just looking for a side hustle, this little-known strategy is perfect for anyone. Now, if you don't know me or you're brand new to my channel, my name is Dan Froelke, and for over 15 years, I haven't worked for anyone. I've made my income entirely by using automated systems that do all the selling and telling for me while I make 100% commissions. And I've taught thousands of people along the way to do the same. So if you're interested in making money online from someone who's been doing it successfully now for over 15 years while helping others do the same, well, make sure you subscribe to my channel and of course tick the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new income strategy or review. All right, I'm going to jump on my computer right now and I'm going to show you step by step how this works, what specific platform we're using, and how you can make $100 to $300 per day online. All right, let's get started. Making $100 to $300 per day online may seem like a dream to most people, but trust me, it's more achievable than you think, even if you're just getting started. In fact, with this brand new platform that I'm about to show you, it's very possible to turn this dream into a reality. This brand new affiliate platform is called Nonstop 100, and it allows anyone to earn $100 per sale plus, and this is really cool, $100 every time one of your new team members makes a sale. It has a very unique compensation plan with a lot of leverage, and I'm going to get into that in just a second. Nonstop 100 is considered a member-to-member program, meaning when a prospect joins you, they pay you directly. There's no middleman, the company doesn't hold your money for 30 days, and there's no e-wallet to set up. You'll get paid instantly via Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, PayPal, Venmo, Authorize.net, a cashier's check, or money order through the mail. It's 100% up to you how you want to get paid, and it's easy to set that up in your members area. And Nonstop 100 gives you everything you need to start earning these $100 payments over and over again. You'll get a beautiful high converting capture page and a sales page that does all the explaining and selling and telling for you. You'll get a built-in autoresponder with 40 days of follow-up emails to constantly remind your prospects all the benefits of Nonstop 100 and how they too can start earning these $100 instant commissions. You'll also get excellent, up-to-date e-learning products designed to help you become a successful affiliate marketer. And there's proven traffic sources to drive quality traffic to your capture page at a push of a button. And for those who like offline marketing, Nonstop 100 provides a custom postcard and letter flyer. Nonstop 100 costs $297 one time with no monthly fees. But not to worry, you'll make that up in no time with their two-tiered compensation plan. There's some insane leverage with this. Let me explain. So for every person that you enroll, you'll make $100 instantly, just like we talked about before, right? And here's the amazing leverage with this system. And to be honest with you, I had a hard time sleeping when I heard about this the other night. For every person that you personally enroll into the program, you will also earn $100 when they make a sale. That's a 100% match on their earnings forever. All right, isn't that cool? So for example, if you bring in 5 people who just make one sale, that's an extra $500 in your pocket for doing absolutely nothing. So it's very possible to make $100 to $300 per day with this system, depending upon, of course, how much effort you put in. And I'm sure you can see now how quickly you'll be able to recover your initial $297 once you get in and get going. All right, I want to talk about something very special that I created just for you when you join me in Nonstop 100. I want to help jumpstart your new business right out of the gate by providing you with top tier 1 traffic for 30 days on me, absolutely free, to help you make these $100 instant commissions. After all, with this amazing compensation plan, when you make a sale, I make a sale, right? So why not help you? And here's how it's going to work. I will be providing you with some quality, top tier 1 traffic from one of my favorite traffic vendors, Alessandro Sierra. And he owns Elite Solo Ads. And I've been using his solo ad traffic for a few years now with one of my other online businesses with great success. I've made a ton of sales with his traffic. So I created a paid traffic rotator using Alessandro's traffic as a super bonus for you. When you join me, I will add your referral link to my paid traffic rotator for a period of 4 weeks. That's 30 days on me, absolutely free. I'm going to take it right out of my pocket and pay for traffic for you. That's 30 days of top tier 1 traffic sent to your Nonstop 100 referral link to help you make these $100 commissions. I'll even provide you with a tracking link so you can see for yourself all the quality traffic you'll be getting and where it's coming from. All right? Right now, I want to walk you through the joining process. It's very easy to join, and I'm going to show you how the whole system flows. Okay, but first, you're going to click the very first link in the description of this video. Then you're going to see this page right here, this beautiful capture page, and everyone gets a capture page, a sales page, and a registration page, and I'll show you that in just a second. So all you have to do is put your first name, last name, email address in, and this code. It's just a security code that goes right in here, and then make sure you click on Show Me More. That will redirect you to the sales page. And again, everyone gets these pages, okay, when you join. You can read all about it. You can watch the video here. This is a really good explainer video. And anytime you want to join, all you have to do is click one of the purple buttons on this page. But we have a great video right here. It's the compensation video, and I highly suggest you watch that. Scroll down, they talk about the products and a lot more. Okay, and again, everyone gets their own personalized page. You can see me on there, my information, and then again, when you are ready to join, when you're all set to go, all you have to do is click any of the purple buttons right here, and then you will come to a registration page that looks exactly like this. So what do you want to do? We want to register for our own account. Okay. Now this is a test account that I just created. So it's going to have my name, sponsor's name, ID. You'll have to fill out the first name, last name, put your email address in here, and then again, we have a security code right here that you have to put right here. And then we're going to click on Register Now to register an account. All right? Okay. You'll get this. Success. And then this is very easy. You don't have to go back to your email. This is your login information right here. So you can log in. You can actually log into your account right here. But here's the thing. You have to log in with your email address. Okay? And then you have a password that they created for you. Okay? You can always change it. But you have to use this password. Now, if I were you, I'd copy this and put it on a notepad or something so you don't forget it. And please read all this. And this is what it says here. Please make a copy of your login credentials for future use. And again, once you log in, you can change this password. Okay, so this is what we're going to do right now. I'm just going to copy that. And then we'll put in this email address. Okay, click here to log in. And this is the login page. And all you have to do is put your email address in here and the password. Okay, and that's what I'll do. And then all you have to do is click on log in now. All right, that's what I'll do. Now, since you haven't paid yet, it's going to redirect you to this page right here. Now, after you pay, it's going to unlock your site. But you can't go anywhere else. Not unless you pay your sponsor $100 and you're going to pay their sponsor $100. And then you're going to pay the admin fee. Now, this is $97 actually, not $100. So it's $297. They have to change that. $100 to your sponsor, $100 to their sponsor, because that's how this works, and then $97 to the admin, and that's the admin fee. All right. Once you do that, each person is going to log into their back office and mark you paid. Okay. Very easy to do. They're just going to log in and mark you paid. All right. And the admin will do that as well. And then after they're all paid, this will unlock your members area. All right. So I just wanted to show you how this all flowed, how easy it is to join. All right. If you have any questions at all, make sure you put it in the comment section below, or a lot easier, just reach out to me personally. I'll have my email address below in the description as well. Okay. Or you can give me a call. I've got my phone number down there as well. And obviously, my phone number is right here. All right. Hey, that's great. I really appreciate you watching this. I can't wait to get you started and to start making $100 to $300 per day with Nonstop 100. All right. Hey, we'll see you on the next video.